couldn't be a cooler gadget on this list than the Anymotor. This is a versatile hair dryer, air pump, and blower equipped with 3 kinds of mouthpieces which are used for different functions. The flat mouth design is suitable for cleaning the dust on your laptop keyboard, sofa slits, and air vents in the car. The round mouthpiece design is suitable for providing you with even wind, quickly drying your clothes and creating natural wind for photography to get those killer photos. The sharp mouth design is suitable for making romantic props and blowing balloons. The Anymotor has a cordless design which makes it convenient and portable without any restrictions whatsoever. The handle has an oval shape, which is ergonomic for the hand, making it very comfortable to hold. It houses a large capacity built-in battery with no charging cable, making it easy to pack and clearing the clutter around your workplace. It is no doubt that this is a game changer, as the Anymotor company has amassed over $30,000 in funded capital on Kickstarter. Say goodbye to those outdated gadgets. It is time to pack less. The 70 Meyer back with their new Omni, a motorized dash cam with a freedom for 360 degrees panning and supports a lot of voice commands for hands-free operations. It can possibly record in all directions, and that's pretty cool. It is packed with all the powerful functions people adore in our previous generation cameras, along with powerful new features for full view coverage, AI parking surveillance, safe driving assistance, smart voice control, AI motion detection, real-time app alert, GPS-enabled car locator, lane departure alert, and route tracking. It is also important to point out the great footage quality this gadget offers. The Omni Dash Cam comes with an app that has detailed tips and tricks. View into the future. Nobody fancies working on their lawn under the hot sun, and sometimes lawn mowing using traditional mowers can be a hard task, unless you want to burn some fat. Discover the new Conga AI-powered robotic lawn mower that will help you start your lawn maintenance with just a single click. This smart grass mower makes lawn maintenance a breeze with convenient app-controlled features and quiet, efficient cutting. It works back and forth in the most optimal way, cutting the grass with surgical precision. Equipped with AI vision algorithms and vision fusion localization (VFL) technology, the Conga series can automatically set the boundaries of your lawn, detect and avoid obstacles in just 0.1 seconds without the perimeter cables or remote control. It's time to say goodbye to the perimeter cables. In addition, the built-in collision sensor further prevents possible collisions or damages. Rest assured that your little ones and furry friends are safe at all times during Conga's mowing while you're away. Don't worry about charging, because when the battery is low, Conga returns to the charging station and continues the workflow at the previous pause point without repeating or missing any areas during mowing. Conga has been featured on Bloomberg, Digital Journal, Yahoo News, and Market Watch, and has been backed with over $250,000 on Kickstarter. However, shipping doesn't start till 2023. Carrying gear can be a pain, but worry no more, as Outisan has made it easier for you. Introducing the world's first utility wagon, the Outisan E-Wagon, that makes going outdoors easier than ever. It features the Flow Stride, which provides electric power assist that matches your movement to that of the terrain. It can even automatically brake when you take your hands off during an emergency. The Outisan E-Wagon has a portable, detachable battery that slides on easily to the front of the utility wagon. Charge it up to 3 hours and get up to 7 miles of usage. The power assist takes the weight of your baggage off your shoulders, and unlike traditional wagons, the Outisan E-Wagon makes it easy to carry gear uphill with the electric motor, making a 180 pounds load feel no heavier than 10 pounds. Are you ready to hit the road? The high-density rubber wheels has a unique tread pattern that makes it handle any type of terrain. And does your phone have a tendency of running out of juice when outdoors? No worries. Plug your devices into the USB ports to get a top as you enjoy that walk. The E-Wagon has an action-ready metal frame that fully unfolds in just a matter of seconds, making perfect for carrying it in the car, storing it at home and unfolding it whenever you need. Unfold your adventure on the go. According to a report by Statista, the projected number of mobile workers is forecast to increase from 78.5 million in 2020 to 93.5 million by 2024 in the United States only. You wouldn't necessarily have to break the bank to get convenient gear to help you work from anywhere in the world. Enter the Air.0 origami mouse with a new way of thinking on its design. The origami design concept is where the magic happens. It provides a slim, portable, yet sturdy solution while ergonomically fits in everyone's hands for their daily mobile usage needs. The Air.0 has an ergonomic design that's truly spaceless that aids in avoiding wrist cramping after long use. Just fold it and stuff it in your bag or pocket. It is ideal to use it in library, bedroom, office, classroom, and any places that requires quietness. It can be easily charged using a USB-C cable with no need to change the batteries. With one charge, Air.0 can last for up to 3 months. And in just 1 minute of charging, you get 3 hours of use. You can charge your mouse while you have a coffee break, and you're ready for a whole day of work. It is super lightweight but solid and sturdy enough. It slips and fits nicely into any bag or pocket. Who thought that turning a thin and flat material into a sturdy 3D mouse and back flat again, like an origami, would be the perfect solution for people's mobile working and living style today? When choosing a flashlight, camping enthusiasts should be excited. However, you don't necessarily need a lamp for your tent, bicycle flashlight for biking or headlights for walks. Not forgetting how expensive it could get buying all this gadgets. An optical and practical solution has been provided, the Xeter Spark, which is one flashlight featuring different modes that costs only $160. The brightness is adjustable from 5 to 1200 lumens, which is enough for most indoor and outdoor activities. It features a magnetic locking system which turns the flashlight into a lamp or a headlight. Additional settings are available in the mobile app, with the model working with voice commands and can also be controlled remotely. If you enjoyed watching this video, please consider subscribing to this channel for more tech stuff.